Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dina Rosita, kelas Biologi A, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan. Di sini saya akan membawakan materi bahasa Inggris. How do plants obtain food? All plants make food by photosynthesis. Only about 1% of the estimated 300.000 species of plants have lost the ability to photosynthesize. The other species are consume many of the predators. Life kill of plants. All plants have a characteristic leaf cavity that includes an ultimation of generation typical plants. Inside the agreement in Fugu Goal. This diagram shows the general leaf kill of a plant. Early plants reproduce mainly with spores and spin most of their leaf kill as haploid. Gametophytes, in contrast, more modern plants reproduce with gametes using pollen and seeds, and they spit most of the leaf kill as diapause sporides. Many modern plants and can also reproduce actual using roots, some of leaves. Evolution of plants. From a sample, green alga and castor, they live in the water. Plants evolve several major adaptations for leaf and land. They are leaf plants. Unlike most dome plants do have a stalk rather than sweet stem, and they have hair-like structure called pseudo instead of fruit. On the other hand, sweeter have delicate, matte, and family reproductive structure, which is plant characteristic. Vascular plant evolve. Vascular plants evolve. Plants evolve a number of adaptations that helped them keep white dust for them and dry. Unrelated on the earliest and most important was the evolution of vascular tissues. Vascular tissues from a plant's flowing system. They carry water and minerals from soil to leaves from photosynthesis. They also carry food from photosynthetic cause of dirt, left in the plant for use stored food. The evolution of vascular tissue revolution the plant kicked down. The tissue allowed plants grow larger and endure periods of drought in host left effluent early. Vascular plants probably received the formation in Fugu below. In addition to vascular tissues, the early plants evolved other adaptations to live on land, including lignin, leaf roots, and canna in their leaf shell. Leafy of rich in chloroplasts, they function as solar collectors and food factories with all this outpotax. It essay to see vascular plants spread quickly and video on land. Many monovacular plants we extinct and vascular plants become more numerous. Seed plants emerge, stiff hand to swim, formally to farm reproduction, organs for fertilization. Serve also needed some water to grow, and often the cypre will wait the ovulation of the scene. Vascular plants, all that jungle seed plants evolve number of adaptations that may yet possibly to reproduce white water. A seed contains an embryo, and a food supply includes waiting eukaryotic. Many seeds carry to gametite until conditions are probably forgot or reproductive. Adaptation: the ovulate in seed plants include the ovulin pollen, pollen tubes, and pollination by animals. An ovule is a family reproduction structure in seed plants. They contain Actiniforma gametophyte. Organ ovule in stem, Malgetivar, enclosed in dog covers in Charism 2. An ovule while preventing it from being out. Pollen glands can swim, but they are very light, so the wind can carry them. Like the bee, if a breeze blows, a pollinator picks up pollen on its body and carries it directly to another plant on the same species. This allows plants to reach either way to swim, to act, film water. Individual grains of pollen may have a key surface that helps them stick to pollinator, such as bees. Scent plants differ. The seed plant forms seed in cones. Malecones contain pollen, and familicones contain eggs. Seeds also develop in familicones. Modern seed plants develop seeds in cones are called gymnosperms. Gymnosperms produce since its donors classification of plants. The most basic division between non-follicular and follicular plants are further divided into those that reproduce white seeds and that reproduce white seeds. Seed plants eat worms are divided into seeds that produce in cones and juice. They produce seeds in the ovaries of flowers. They have adaptation to the north like harvest day, reproduce white seed and fervent. They produce seed cones. They produce seeds in the ovaries of fur. Let's marry. Live as we know to world new be possibly white plants. Plants we among they are seen organisms to live the water and congee land. The evolution of fossil tissue alloyed plants to grow larger and thrive on land. The evolution of seeds and pollen allows them to reproduce on land by to master the most basic division of filling plants is between non-follicularis and follicular plants. Follicular plants are further divided into seeds and seed plants. Seed plants, called gymnosperms, produce seed in cones. Seed plants, called angiosperms, produce seed plants, called angiosperms, produce seeds in the ovaries or flowers. Plants who consider fertile plants are the most found plants on earth. Sekian itu yang saya bacakan, kurang dan lebihnya mohon dimaafkan. Saya Dinda Sita mengucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.